What's the latest?
Latest is we are still tracking severe thunderstorms moving through the area. We've got one batch going across the northeast, one batch going across central Kentucky. Our number of warnings is on the decrease at this point. That's certainly good news, but boy, for a couple hours there, this has been nothing short of incredible. You're looking at strong storms out toward Lebanon and Springfield there in Marion and Washington County, also now going through part of Casey and Lincoln County. So we come down, you see the storm there around Lebanon, that storm dropping heavy rain, damaging wind gusts, potentially there's some hail with that one. Also you look to Houston there in Lincoln County, down to Middlesboro and Yosemite in Casey County. So northern part of Casey County, western part of Lincoln County, you are looking at a severe thunderstorm warning that is in place. We come up toward Anderson City and Anderson County, Lawrenceburg. This storm passing just south of Lawrenceburg, moving along the Bluegrass Parkway. More heavy rain with that. That storm looks like the severe warning has been pulled with that one, although it is raining very hard in some places with that. We continue to Bergen, now Mercer County. That storm beginning to dissipate, but Danville still seeing some heavy rain. We work our way now. Again, most of the 615 warnings have now, all the 615 warnings have expired. Richmond to Kingston, heavy rain there along 421 and 25. That continues along 499, so we're along the depot. Kirksville to Paint Lake, the rain does continue heavily. And again, you're looking at more storms in eastern Kentucky. These are not severe. So again, our number of warnings has greatly decreased here in the last 10 minutes. Beattyville to Campton, now moving in on Jackson up to West Liberty. Again, we continue to track all of that heavy rain, and the lightning display remains vivid. I mean, it's incredible how much lightning is going on with these storms. You see them now even up into Fayette County, Scott County, with a secondary cell developing. These things just blew through and literally exploded across Lexington, at times moving better than 70 miles an hour. In fact, there was a 70-mile-per-hour wind gust measured at the Bluegrass Airport, one of the strongest winds ever measured in Lexington. Quick look at the future track for the next few hours. This will get you through this evening. So again, you are watching these thunderstorms now, but we may see another batch trying to develop before the evening is done. Those could indeed remain strong and severe, and our threat level will remain at 2 because of that. So we may not be done with these storms just yet. We are looking at a lot of places that have seen damage. We can't clean up much tonight. What about tomorrow and beyond? Here's meteorologist Jill Sweat.
And Bill, you're right. There is a lot of damage all across the area with these explosive summertime severe thunderstorms that have been tracking from west to east for the most part across central and eastern Kentucky as we've been going through the afternoon. But as we were telling you about yesterday and even days before that, this is only the beginning. We still have to track a few more rounds of showers and thunderstorms as we continue throughout the weekend. The setup, very unusual, especially for this time of the year. Kind of more reminds us of a springtime setup when we see more of these severe outbreaks across the Ohio Valley. The main culprit right now is a center of low pressure which continues to spin right around Lake Michigan. It's going to hang around there over the next several hours, even into the start of the day tomorrow. Even looking at the bigger picture, there's also an upper level low sitting over the Ohio Valley. It's going to continue to spin over the next couple of days, providing the energy for more showers and thunderstorms to spin through the bluegrass. So over to Future Track as we go through the day tomorrow. Waking up here at 7 o'clock in the morning, most of us will be dry. So if there's still damage out there, especially with that round they're going to be tracking later on tonight, we still could be dealing with some tree damage across the area. There will be a little bit of a window first thing in the morning, but as we look into the afternoon, a few more waves of showers and thunderstorms will be moving through. Tomorrow, not expected to be a washout. Again, things coming in rounds, in batches in terms of showers and storms, but even though we will be tracking more of that activity, the severe threat will be diminishing. However, still looking at the potential for more heavy rain. So we're here at noon, again, beginning to see more widespread showers and storms. And you'll notice that low just continues to filter and funnel more showers and storms into our area, even as we look towards the afternoon hours tomorrow. So for the pickup of round 2 and also then round 3 of the Barbasol Championship, things are looking soggy. Already seeing some reports of some new water hazards as the water is starting to fill some of the low-lying areas at the golf course. Pros will be dealing with that as they go throughout the final rounds of the championship over the next couple of days. And then eventually, as we look ahead to Sunday, still no relief is in sight, but we will begin to see that low sinking a little bit further to the south. It's going to keep the clouds in place, not necessarily dealing with the heavy rain threat, but it's more going to be a steady light rain that is going to continue throughout Sunday. So still several more dry hours, wet days I should be saying, are on tap as we continue through the weekend, Bill.
All right. And with all that in mind, you can get your cleanup, hopefully some of it in during the course of the weekend. For the next few hours, our threat index is going to remain at a 2. So we still have the damaging wind threat. There is a hail risk. Even a small tornado risk will remain. This will be until around midnight or so. With all that in mind, let's go ahead and get you a forecast as we are looking ahead. And as we do so, you are talking about a day tomorrow where temperatures will top out around 80. Showers and thunderstorms will be around, but scattered. More rain around on Sunday. It does try and dry out and warm back up again next week, but it's been an amazing few hours. We'll talk more about this as we continue through the evening. The damage cleanup continues. Kevin and Haley, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you very much, and thank you to Jill as well.
All right, let's